to use Canva to make money online. Create worksheets. Worksheets for preschool, worksheets for elementary school, fun worksheets, worksheets for language teachers, any type of worksheets you can think of. Choose your niche, your style, your colors or elements you use. Canva is great for this. You can do it all in Canva. There is a lot of inspiration that you can use. And then sell it on different platforms. It could be Etsy, it could be Teachers Pay Teachers, or many more. You can sell it as a digital product, you can sell it as a PDF, as a printed product. You can try to offer it in different communities of teachers. They would be happy for that you will easier their work and prepare the worksheets for them. Or you can create them for Canva and become a Canva creator, but that's for different video. My name is Barbara Template, and I create social media templates, digital products, and educate about Canva, how to use Canva for your business. So check more videos about how to use Canva to make some money online, or other videos how to use Canva and work with Canva.